How to use highlight feature in Adobe Acrobat application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Adobe Acrobat, open your document, and once it is open, at the top you will see the option of pen. That is the highlighter icon. Simply click on it and using your mouse cursor, select the text which you want to highlight. It will appear like this. After that, the automatic color which is yellow will be highlighted. Now if you want to change the color, while highlighting the text at the top left corner, you will see the different colors. Simply choose any one of it and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can highlight text using Adobe Acrobat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.